1 Minute Swedish Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Swedish. I'm Gabriella.
And I'm Mark. In this course, we're going to be teaching you just enough Swedish to get by on a holiday or a business trip to Sweden, or just to impress your Swedish-speaking friends and colleagues. You've already learned some greetings and useful words and phrases. Last lesson, you learned how to say you speak a little Swedish, and we're going to add to this today.
Now I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Swedish. Can you remember this phrase? Gabriella, can you remind us?
Jag talar lite svenska.
Good. Now today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Swedish, I don't understand is...
Jag förstår inte.
Let's listen to that again a little more slowly.
Jag förstår inte.
Repeat this again after Gabriella.
Jag förstår inte.
Try it one more time.
Jag förstår inte.
You can go one step further and say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Let's learn one way to say I'm sorry in Swedish. It's...
Förlåt.
Listen again.
Förlåt.
Try it one more time after Gabriella.
Förlåt.
So let's add that to I don't understand. To say, I'm sorry, but I don't understand, you say...
Förlåt, men jag förstår inte.
That may seem like quite a mouthful. Let's try it again.
Förlåt, men jag förstår inte.
Try repeating it once again.
Förlåt, men jag förstår inte. Time's up.
Even if you're trying to make a good impression with your Swedish-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. As ever, don't forget you can visit our website on oneminute.languages.com and find out more about Swedish. In the meantime, thanks again.
Tack och hej då.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.